Hey, I'm going to give you the secret to my wholesale connection in this video. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts. I get a 12-pack of these earrings for $6.95. Comes out to 58 cents a piece. I'm just going to show you how I get this 4-piece pair of earrings and make 4 pair of earrings out of it. So, check it out. I'm separating these 4 pieces, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap them. I'm going to wrap 3 of them to make 3 wrapped fabric pair of earrings, and then I'll leave the smaller pair to be just, a pair of earrings by itself. I've used this wholesale company for a number of years, even before I had my Glowforge. What I do sometimes is I buy earrings and I will just put them on my Glowforge and put designs on them or put words on them, because sometimes I can get these earrings for less than it would cost me to buy the wood and cut them. So I just want to share this with you in case you want to check them out. They have all kinds of, jewelry and accessories. The upside is that the prices are really great. The wholesale prices are great. The downside is that you have to do a minimum order of $75. They recently, it used to be $50, but now recently they've changed the minimum order to $75. So sometimes you don't want to spend that much money, but you have to spend that minimum amount. So I'm just going to wrap these earrings, and you've seen me wrap earrings before. Maybe you have. If this is the first time first time you've come here, you haven't seen. When I get to the end of the wrapping, I double fold the earrings, the fabric, so that you don't see any of the rough edges. And I'm just going to glue it with my hot glue. This design didn't turn out to be as pretty as I thought it was going to be, but it was okay. So I chose some different fabrics to wrap the other earrings in. Now, to get the wholesale information, there's a link that will you can get the information sent to your email. If you click the link, it'll take you to my Shopify store, and you'll put in your email and information, and then you will automatically be sent the information for the wholesale website. So don't miss out on that. Check it out. I'm going to make some quick earring findings here with my wire. I'm going to cut about 4 inches of wire, 2 pieces, and then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and fold the wire over in a U shape, and I go about 2/3 down the wire, and so you see one end is longer than the other. So now I cross the wires, and the short wire I want straight out in a right angle, and I bend the long wire up, and I wrap it around once or twice, and cut the remaining short piece of wire. Now I'm going to make the hook part of the earring by folding it over anything that's round, that's the size that you want. So I just fold it over, and that makes the hook part. And then I turn up the very end of the earring to make it easier to put it on. Now, what you don't see me do is I like to take a sanding block and sand the edges of the wire so it won't be sharp. I did like the way that this pair turned out. I like it better than I like the gray ones. So I'm wrapping one more pair, and then I'll just leave the smallest pair I'll just put an earring hook in it and be done. So that will be 4 pair of earrings that came out of this one pair of earrings. Like I said, the wholesale company has lots of different styles. They have metal jewelry and stuff, but I stick with wood because I use it in my glow forge. This last time I bought some bracelets, some black beaded bracelets that had one tiger eye in it, and they're pretty heavy beads. So I feel like I can offer those as a unisex item. So it's, some of their things don't look like it's very gosh, I don't know what word to use. Some of it looks kind of cheap, but that's why I kind of stick with the wood, because I can make the wood look the way I want it to look. When you're in business, you try to minimize cost while keeping your quality up. So I'm always looking for ways to save money and get a good value for the money that I spend. So that's why I wanted to share this resource with you. If you like this video, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, please like, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.